Tourists are back flocking Kashmir Valley. We are in Dal Lake. This is a Sunday morning, and this is what you see. Scores of tourists right here. We have a tourist from Kolkata. We'll just have a word with her. What's the message? When did the booking start? You know, there's been a lot of apprehension, especially people who've made bookings. What message do you want to give to them?
Actually, we had done bookings after Durga Puja, actually after October, November. So we had finalized everything from hotel bookings to all those gondola and all those things जो होता है. So when this incident occurred, so we were so surprised, we were so shocked. Ki how will we go, and our neighbors and relatives were telling ki not to go because the situation was like that. But after asking and inquiring all the locals, whatever connections we had, so we told that chalo chalte hain. We had to go. Actually Kashmir jana tha or bookings were already done. Actually it was not about the bookings, it was to visit Kashmir actually. Yeah, once in a lifetime.
It's a cherished moment.
Yeah, actually. So we had to come, and my father is obviously pure Deshbhakt thing. So he was like, we won't be afraid of all those terrorist things, and we'll go and visit in confidence.
What a brave thing to say. Where are you guys heading? Where are you going?
We are going to Doodh Pathri, and tomorrow we'll go to Gulmarg, and then Sonmarg, and then Pahalgam.
So, are you sticking to Pahalgam?
Yeah, still we are sticking. So what we heard is everything is open over there. It's safe now, and tourists are going. So we are also positive that we should visit over there.
You know, what message would you want to give to people who are watching on TV, making up their mind whether they want to go ahead with the Kashmir tour or cancel it? What message would you want to give?
One thing is Kashmir is safe now. Everything is open. Tourists are safe. Everyone is coming. So please do come if you have plans and if you have already booked the tickets and everything. So please do come. It will support the local people as well, and it will. So India will unite. The message is we are also everyone is Indian. It is a part of India, right? So we have to support. So everyone should come, and this will really help all the guys. And these people are very helpful, and the hospitality is awesome. So definitely. They should come, and
this is a troop which has come in from Kolkata. We'll just try and see if the camera person can go and show. It's a packed bus. We see number of tourists now flocking to Dal. Just have a look out here. The number of people, a lot of them taking a shikara ride. We'll just try and get a sense from people on the boat. You know, how do they really go about it? There is obviously a whole lot of people whose livelihoods now really depend on it. So this is a family coming out from this boat. Sir, where are you from?
From Bangalore.
Bangalore. Do tell us, how's your experience been, especially in the wake of Pahalgam terror attack?
No, it is fine. So far, no issues at all. Okay, we're very happy
When
about
did people come in, and what was your plan? You've been around here for some time now?
Yeah, we came after that incident, sad incident. So, but as long we didn't find anything, unusual. Like everything looks normal.
Everything looks normal. Are you also heading to Pahalgam?
No, tomorrow we are traveling back.
Traveling back to Bangalore.
Bangalore.
And this is where what you're showing to you is tourists enjoying the cool weathers of Kashmir. There is this entire area, chock-a-block, but definitely a message going out that India stands united in this moment. And several of them saying, you know, not coming here is giving in to terrorism. So they say, we are sticking to our plans, coming to Kashmir. And this is where Kashmir also showing a lot of resilience here. And that is why you see shops are open, things are open, and tourists flocking back to Kashmir Valley. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Srinagar for India Today.